Right, hello again. I thought I'd do another Sky Glass update after a few comments via my YouTube channel and various platforms about pictures on Sky Glass when they're first receiving the TV. Right, if you're not sure or not very tech minded, this is what I've done because people are saying mine seems to be sharp. It does look good on the phone, fair play, but it is sharp in our house as well. So, because I've got the new phones, so it's pretty like for like, to be honest. So go to your home screen. I've got that on pause there for a reason at the moment. If you come down, all the way down on your home screen, that's what I'm calling it. Go into your settings, or you can say, obviously, talk to it, and you can do it like that. Go to picture and sound. Obviously, my viewing mode at the moment is in custom, and I'll show you why. And I'll come back to that, and I'll show you something else as well which people might not know about. Go to picture, change that backlight adjustment, because when you get your TV it comes with on. It makes your picture really dark, and I think this is where a lot of the problems going on with people saying the pictures are horrible. Change that to off and keep it to off. That's how I've done it, and as I say, we've had this, well, a week tomorrow we've had Sky Glass now, and we prefer it like this. Backlight, I've changed to 50. Obviously, if you press the center button, you can change it, but you go left and right on your keypad. So obviously, then if you go down to that, remember everybody's house is different, and obviously different setups. So I changed mine to 50 and keep it at that. It's pretty neutral. Aspect ratio I keep to auto, it's the best. I've set that to bright. I find it a lot better when you viewing your Dolby stuff. Dark was a bit too dark, so we've changed that to bright, and we quite like that. Default, of course, we've only kept that in auto at the moment. We haven't really looked at UHD and HD, but auto seems to be doing it fine with the custom settings that we've got. So this is where you can go into your custom settings now, where people don't probably realise that they're there if they're not tech minded. So center button. So there you go, you can change all your contrast, sharpness, video brightness, color saturation. So if I went into that, press the center button, left or right, there's your color saturation. 50 is quite neutral, but if you go, because when Sky first came, I can't remember what it was on, but it's quite high. So we've put ours on 50, and we find that's pretty good. Right, so you go back, just press the back button, and it'll bring you back to this screen. Hue and tint 50, as I say, they're all pretty neutral, but the brightness, like obviously for our room, like we're on 41, and that's ample. But if I want, it's just way too much, obviously. Everybody's room is different. But obviously we find in the middle, was it in the middle or 41? 41 this one was, is on there. I just realised as well, you can change it there. So if you wanted to, you can do it all on screen there. Sharpness we've kept at 50. I'll go back to this screen, it's easier because that's where it was. White balance, we've kept that as that, because obviously there's your red gains, your green gains and your blue gains, and your red offsets, green offsets and blue offsets. Leave them as they are, to be honest, nothing wrong with them. Local dimming, we've put that on. It doesn't seem too bad at the moment, so we're going with it. Colour space management as well. Obviously this is where, if you're really technical minded, you can go into your reds, your greens, yellows, magentas and cyan and change them all there if you really want to, but leave well alone if you're not tech minded. So you can go back and back. So in your picture and sound, so obviously I'm just back at the beginning basically. If you click that again, if you go up to viewing mode, come across there, then if you're not happy with your settings, if you click there now, this is why I pause the chase. If you go up and, no, left and right, I keep forgetting. No. Custom, we're there. That's right, I was at the bottom, sorry. Yeah, so custom's at the bottom. So if you go up, you watch your picture change. Party, this is what their presets are. Music. Movies, see they don't tend to change much. Sport, that went brighter. Entertainment went a bit duller. Then auto. But obviously because I changed all my settings, it's always set to custom. And you can change those whilst you're on screen. So you go back up and it'll change it to party. But obviously I don't want to because I don't like it. So you keep it as party, keep it as custom, and that's it. And you go back, back, back. And if I carry on with the chase, I'll show you if it's still on. Oh, it will be good. Brad's face looked a bit red there, but that was the TV and the phone. So as you can see, those are our settings, and they're pretty good, to be honest. As I say, their faces look a bit washed out and coloured. If I go 101, so pointless. So as I say, and that's pretty like for like what's on my camera as well, so hopefully that helps people as well. Let's press pause. So if there's anything else, obviously as before, drop me a message in the comments below and I'll try and answer some. If you go into my playlists on YouTube, I've got other videos for Sky Glass as well, and I'll keep adding and adding and adding until obviously I can't add any more, but I keep finding things. It's only a week old. We're finding it's really good. So don't forget to subscribe also. Press the bell notification and you'll get notifications then on your YouTube if I upload new videos to help you guys. And obviously give it a share. I'd be grateful. Thank you very much, and we'll speak to you soon again. Bye bye.